Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to remove the noise from your recording when you're recording in your room, and there are lots of sound outside like fan sound and room echoes. And how can we remove that while we are recording any audio on PC? So guys, I let me show you before fixing and after fixing the difference between audio recording. So let's do that. So friends, this is before fixing. So this is the quality of my room and my fan creating lots of noise, and when you record such audio, no one will willing to listen this kind of a sound. So how can I remove this room noise or fan noise? Because before this sample, guys, you must know that you have listened the audio before, and that you can feel the difference. And after applying the fix, and now you can feel the difference. There is no room noise and there is no room echo. So how did I do that? So I just wanted to share with you because I found a solution. I have no premier microphone with me to record any voice or audio. So if you are also struggling with your budget to buy any expensive microphone, then you're watching the right video, because I was also struggling with my budget and I'm not being able to buy uh, expensive one. So that's why I was looking for a solution, and I found the solution that actually remove the uh, background noise as well, and also boost the volume of your microphone. So what is that, guys? So there's an application or software on, you can find it, and that is, you can see, let me show you. This is Crips. You can download and install this application from the, let me go to, yeah. So you have to go to Crisp. You have to download this Crisp software. It is a noise cancellation software you can find on web. So this is AI based noise cancelling application software. So you have to click on this and download this. So it has also a premier one. So you can use the free one. So you can download it, and it will download its installer, and it is of around 250 MB. So it's bit high, but you can manage, or if you have lots of storage. So guys, once you install this, you can install and open the application. So when we open the application, it looks like this, and you have to sign in with your email ID. Once you done sign in with your email ID, now you need to uh, enable this option, cancel noise and room echo. So it will remove all the background noise and room echo from your audio while you are recording. Since as you can see that I'm recording my screen record. I'm actually recording my screen, and with my devices, actually I'm using my mobile microphone on my PC, and it has lots of background noise, and I wanted to remove that, and I found this Crisp software, which is really magical. And as you feel that there's lots of different before and after using this Crisp software. So guys, I hope you understood, and you just need to slide this button, and the cancel noise and room echo option will enabled, and your noise and room echo will be removed completely from your voice. So I hope you like it, and that's how you can remove your background noise without any difficult or complex settings. So you just need to install this software and enable this setting, and just sign up with your Google or Gmail account. So that's it. I hope you like it. From the next video, till then, bye.